Hello everyone, how are you doing? You're welcome to another video. All right, so today, as you can see to the upper left of my screen, once again, this is video 10, right? And we will be talking about platforms for trading, how to use the MetaTrader 4 application, what is market execution, what is a buy limit slash sell limit, what is a buy stop slash sell stop, how to read and understand a buy and sell position too. So once again, this is video 10, and we are going to be talking about the following: platforms for trading, how to use the MetaTrader 4 application, what is market execution, what is the buy limit slash sell limit, what is a buy stop slash sell stop, on how to read and understand a buy and sell position too. Yes. So the first one is platform for trading. So what do I mean by platform for trading? Now, being a trader, you want to trade online, right? You need to have what we call a broker account, right? So now what is a broker, or what are brokers? So brokers allow us to trade in the financial market. In as much as I know what is required, like I told you, the things you need in order to be able to trade online, internet connection, a smartphone, right? Those things, you also need to have a broker account. And now we have different brokers out there. There's a lot of Forex brokers out there, and brokers are, to my understanding, are divided into two. We have the regulated brokers and we have the unregulated brokers. Now, a regulated broker means that broker company is actually regulated by a regulatory agency. So the regulated agencies serve as intermediary. Anytime we have an issue, let's say, for example, I fund my account with quite a big amount of money, and then all of a sudden, I found my broker account with a big amount of money, and then all of a sudden, the broker decides to pack up. And then they pack up, and being the fact that most of these brokers are international brokers, so a lot of them are outside Nigeria, you understand. And then we also have some in Nigeria. We have some, yeah, like we have some in Nigeria, yeah, and then we have some in other countries also, like in Sweden. Also, we have some brokers in Sweden in also. Yes. So now each of these brokers are divided into two: the regulated broker and unregulated broker. So a regulated broker is actually regulated by a regulatory agency. And like I was saying, so let's say for example, the broker decide to pack up after I've deposited my money. Who do I complain to? That is why we have the regulatory agency. So if we have issues, if we have complaint or anything, we can go to this regulatory agency or send them an email, and they can help us sort our issue out. That is why I always recommend that you are trading with a regulated broker, because that way you are covered in case anything happens. You have somebody to go, like you have where to go to lay your complaint, can either be online or physically. And then unregulated broker, these brokers are not regulated by any regulatory agency. So they control everything and they decide whatever they want. You understand? So it is good to have your account, your money, and it is good to have your money and open your account with a regulated broker. Now, so these brokers allow us to trade in the financial markets. Normally, we will not be able to participate in Forex without a broker account. So I can go to TradingView and look at how the market are moving, Euro USD is moving. But then in order for me to participate in this, like trading it real time now, I need to have a broker account. Okay. I need to have a broker account. Like I said, there are various brokers out there, and they're divided into two. The way I understand it: regulated broker and unregulated broker. Regulated broker and unregulated broker. Exactly. So now the broker I use, because I've actually tested a couple of brokers over the years of trading. I've traded with Prosperity. I've traded with FXCM. No, yeah, I actually have an account. And then I also have traded with Caught Forex. I've traded with um, FX Choice, but now I have majorly moved to trading with Pepperstone Broker. Right, so that's the broker I trade with now. Pepperstone is a regulated broker. And just like, I just explained to you what the advantages of trading with a regulated broker is. So I have an account with Pepperstone, which I will leave the link to sign up, because as you're joining now on this call, like as you're joining, you're watching this recording, I believe you do not have an account yet. And if you do, maybe you've been trading before and you just signed up to learn my course, so you probably have an account with your broker, then you might decide to maybe add Pepperstone to your list of broker you use. But if you are new to trading and you do not have a broker account yet, I want you to click the link below this video. Then it will take you to where you can register, and you can register your account with Pepperstone. Right, so make sure the information you're filling are all legit, because it's a regulated broker, so they're going to ask you quite a number of information. Right, so I have made this video on my Instagram, I'm sorry, my YouTube page. Yeah, as you can see in this area here, it says opening account with Pepperstone Broker. So I'm also going to drop this video. So I'm either going to drop this video below this video you're watching now, or I'm going to drop a link to it so you can watch it in my YouTube page. So I'm either going to do one of the two. All right, so this, you can come here and watch step-by-step procedure on how to open an account with Pepperstone Broker. So yes, this is going to help you. I'm going to drop the link, either the link or the video, and then I'm also going to drop the link for registration. So you can use my link to sign up. Then if you have any issues, because you are my downline, you can reach out to me and I can help you talk to customer service on your behalf and on all of that. All right. So once again, in order for you to be able to open a Pepperstone account easily, you're going to first click the link below. That is the link that's going to take you to open an account with Pepperstone. That is my link, my referral link. And then you can either watch this video on YouTube, or I post it below this video. Then you can watch it and then do side by side as I'm explaining the step-by-step procedures on how to open an account. You can also be following me and also create your own account. So I would recommend Pepperstone Broker to you. Please, you can use that to open your account, and that can be your trading account. So if you already have a broker you're using, fine, no problem. If you trust them and you're okay with them, no problem. All right, but if you want to also have Pepperstone as a broker, it is good, and I can help you out in some ways. You understand? And one other important reason why I use the Pepperstone broker is that this is one of the most important reasons why I'm using the Pepperstone broker, because they are in partnership with TradingView. Remember TradingView? I explained to you TradingView in the last video. This is, no, I think in the last two videos or so. Now, this is the TradingView website. TradingView is in partnership with quite a number of brokers. What that means is that I can, as you can see, this is Euro USD Pepperstone. So this is Pepperstone data I am using to analyze the market. So what that means is anywhere I'm placing my buy on the doing the analysis here, it's going to be the same thing when I'm trading, because at times we can have some challenges where I can decide to get in at, for example, 92,770. That's my entry point on Pepperstone broker feed on TradingView. And let's say I'm using FX Choice as my broker where I'm placing my trade. Now, Pepperstone 92.92770 might actually be way below or way above, because the way the broker have their own price is different. So at times you kind of miss out on the trade, even though the trade activates on your TradingView website. Like on your TradingView analysis, it can activate there, and at times it might not activate you on your broker. So I like to make sure I'm using Pepperstone to analyze, and I'm also using Pepperstone to execute my trade. And not only do we have only Pepperstone, if you come under this trading panel here, you can see a lot of other brokers that are in partnership with TradingView. We have the capital.com, we have the BingX, we have the OKX, we have Binance, we have Pepperstone. This is mine. We have 8Gate, FXAM, Easy Market, and there are more. Just click on see all brokers and you can see them and, look for the one that you're okay with and you can register with them. But again, I would advise you register with Pepperstone. The link for registration is just below this video. Just you can click it and it's going to take you to where you can register, and you can either watch the video on the YouTube page here on my YouTube page, or you watch it below this video also. It's going to be probably the next video. I think I'm going to upload it as a next video after this one. Yes, so that is it. So that is it about platforms for trading. That is one aspect, opening an account, right? Because you need to have a broker account before you can trade. Now, it is one thing to have a broker account. Now, you can trade directly from the broker. What I'm saying is you can trade directly from your broker platform. For example, let me show you something. I can come here and do something like this. Web, I can trade directly. I can come to, this is my Pepperstone broker account. Okay, I can just click on login. Okay. All right, so this is the Pepperstone page. I'm just going to log in with my email now and password. All right, so I'm going to input going to go to the authenticator app now and input the one-time code 223261. Then click on enter. It's going to take me directly to my page now. All right, so this is my Pepperstone page, right? And this is a live account. I have a live account running, and then demo. I think I need to open a demo account. You do not have any demo account, you can request one by clicking the icon above. So I do not need a demo account. Trading with a live account, that's fine, right? So if I want to trade now with on the Pepperstone platform, I can just come to Trading 2. Once I come to Trading 2, or no, I can come down to platforms rather, and I can trade directly from the website, clicking I think web trader. So I can click open. It's going to open a new page, and then I'll have to input. Okay, so I would have to input my login details, my password, and then click on the server. And once I click OK, boom, I'm going to my account balance and everything is going to show on the screen, and I can trade directly from the screen here. All right, so this is one way to trade, right? I can trade directly from the screen here. All right, so going back now, we've talked about platforms for trading. One aspect of platform for trading has to do with you having a broker account. The second aspect of the under platform for trading now has to do with applications like the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5. Remember, when you started this course in video 1, I told you some applications you will need. And then you can see under there, I told you to download the MetaTrader 4. So yes, this is where I'm going to be explaining to you how to use the MetaTrader 4 application. So I'm going to switch over to my phone now, and then we can, I'm going to switch over to my phone and then explain how to use the MetaTrader 4 application. What is market execution? What is a buy limit / sell limit? What is a buy stop / sell stop? How to read and understand a buy and sell position tool. So this last one, how to read and understand a buy and sell position tool, I'm going to be using. I'm going to be coming back to the TradingView website here so I can show you the read long position for a buy, and then short position for a sell. All right, so I'm going to do that now, but quickly, I need to do this quickly. Okay, now, so we are going to be heading over to my phone where I'm going to be showing you how to use the MetaTrader 4, what is market execution, what is a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, and then we'll come back when we are done to how to read and understand a buy and sell position too. All right, everyone. So this is my home page. All right, this is my home screen rather on my iPhone. And as you can see to the bottom right, this is the MetaTrader 4 application, and this is the MetaTrader 5 application. Right, so how do you download the MetaTrader 4 application? If you're using an iPhone, you just head over to the App Store. If you're using the place an Android device, then you go to the Play Store and you should be able to download the MetaTrader 4. So for iPhone users, you just come here and you click and you come to, this is the App Store. You click on Games app. So you're going to click on this search area here and type MetaTrader 4. Once you just type Meta, you're going to see 5, 4. So once you click on 4, you should be able to download it. So I have it downloaded already. This is how it's going to look like. If you have it downloaded, it's going to just show open. If you do not have it downloaded, you're going to click this area here where it says download, and you should be able to download it. So once you download it, this is how you should have it among your list of applications, right? Now, when you click on it, you should have something like this, right? I think you should be able to have all of this. But if you do not have this, then remember, in order for you to have an account, you need to first open an account with a broker. So you sign up, you register, and you have an account with the broker. The broker is going to offer you, I think, about 2 choices. Number one, you either open with a real account or you open a demo account. So demo account means you are going to open a practice account, right? It is not real. The money there is not real, just for practice sake. So I have actually signed up with Prosperity Forex, and I opened the demo account for the purpose of this call, right? And then they sent me the email to my email, right? They sent me the credentials to my email. So we're going to head over to my email now. You can see here, I signed up a couple of hours ago. So it's a new demo MetaTrader account created, right? So I didn't open a demo account with Prosperity. I don't want to. So this is one broker. I actually opened a demo account with them a few hours ago. So I can use it to explain this I can use it to explain on this call. You can see, hi, Tony, you have successfully registered for your MetaTrader demo account, and you are now only moments away from experiencing the exciting world of Prosperity FX. The MetaTrader login details are as follows. Can you see? This is MetaTrader login details, right? So I'm going to head over to my MT4 now. So remember, the MT4 is going to be useless until you have a broker account, because that is where you're going to connect your broker account to MT4. Therefore, you can take trades. Now, these are the details here. As you can see, trading platform MetaTrader. This is my account number, 353251,794. Trader password, server name, Prosperity demo, and investor password. So when you have this, after opening your account with Pepperstone, they're going to send you these credentials to your email or any broker you want to use, right? And then when you send this to your email, you head over to the MetaTrader 4, and you come to settings. You can see we have the settings, we have the quotes, we have the charts, we have the trade, we have history, and we have settings. So you come to settings here. This is my Prosperity real account, right? I'm going to click on new account because I want to like put in this is my Pepperstone real account rather. So I want to add the Prosperity demo account now. I'm going to come to new account here, click on new account. You can see open a demo account or log into an existing account. So you're going to click log into an existing account. Yeah. And then you see this one I have. So I have an account with Pepperstone and FX Choice. These are the 2 active ones. I have now. So if you want to add that prosperity, you click on this area up here and you type, you can see it says here, server name prosperity demo. So I'm going to come here and click PROS. So you can see prosperity demo. Once I click on it, it's going to require me to input my login and password. I come here again. Login here is, I think the account number. Okay, the account number is 3251. I'm just going to copy it. Okay, and then paste it here. And then the password, I can also copy the password here and then paste it here. And then I'm going to click done. So once I click done, just going to wait, and then you can see this. I've been logged into my Prosperity FX demo account. If I come back to setting here, you can see Prosperity demo. This says demo. So this is a demo account. If I come to quote, these are the currencies here. I can add and remove them. If I come to chart, this is the chart. As you can see, this is the chart for Euro USD on Prosperity. Trade, if I come to trade, you can see this is the trade is going to show balance, equity, margin, free margin, and margin level. So if you fund your account with whatever amount is going to show here. So I actually open a $1,000 demo account. And because I have added my Prosperity account to my MT4, my balance is showing here as 1,000. And here it says history. So the history is saying I've added a $1,000 I've added $1,000 to my account. Okay, and then come to settings. This is going to be showing my name and the demo account. All right, so now this is how to incorporate your Prosperity, your broker account to your MT4 account. Now, on this, the next thing we're going to be talking about is what is market execution. But before then, let me just explain one or two things for you on the MetaTrader 4 application. The first area here is the quote. So the quote is where we can see all the currencies. If I want to add currencies, all I have to do is click on this plus, I believe, and there are a lot of options here. I can decide to add Forex crosses, and you can see there's AUD JPY, AUD NZD, CAD CHF, CAD JP. So I can add. Once I click on this plus, they are all going to be adding to the quotes. You can see all the ones I've added are down in. And if I want to remove, just click on this pencil and just click the ones you want to remove. I can decide to remove this 4 and click this, and then they have been deleted. So this is where we add and remove currency. Now, if you want to go, if I like long press AUD USD, for example, let's say I long press it. If or no, once I just tap it, these things are going to show down. You can see trade, chart, and details. So if I want to trade AUD USD, for example, because this, if I come to chart here, it is still showing Euro USD to the upper left here. If I want to change it, I'm just going to come to quotes, tap on AUD USD, click on chart, then I am on AUD USD chart. See it now? Yes. So if I want to trade Euro USD now, this is the daily time frame. Let's say I want to scale down to the 15 minutes. I can just come to this D1 here, click on it. These are the time frames, and I can choose to go for 15 minutes. Can you see this is the 15 minutes chart on AUD USD for on the Prosperity broker account. All right, so now let's come back to quote again. If I click on this AUD USD, if I come to trade, it's going to take me directly to where I can execute my trade. I'm going to talk about that later. So now, after the quotes, we have the charts. This is where, you can see the candles printing up and down, just like you have it on the TradingView website. So it is best to do your analysis on the TradingView website because it is very big. The screen is big and all of that. You can do your analysis perfectly there and just come to your MetaTrader 4 to execute the trade. All right, that is it. That's how I do it. Right. So on the charts, this is where I just look at how far my price has moved from my entry and all of that. Now, if we come to history, History is where I'm going to be seeing the history of my trades, the winning trades, the loss, the withdrawal, the deposit, and everything. I'm going to be seeing them on the history panel here. And the history has the day, the week, the month, and I can decide. Custom means I can choose from what date to what date. Right? And then the settings, this is where, again, you can, if you want to add another of your accounts, click on new account, log into existing account, right? And then if you want to change the color of your candle, you can come to chart. And then do you want it as candlestick or line chart or bar chart, right? And then you can choose the color that you want for your, how you want your MT4 chart to be, right? So I've explained quotes, I've explained charts, I've explained history, and I've explained settings. Now, if you come to trade, this is where we're going to be spending quite a number of time. Now, this is trade, and as you can see, it shows what account currency do I have? United States dollars. I'm trading in dollars. What is my balance? $1,000 balance. What is my equity? $1,000. Margin 0, free margin 1,000, margin level 0. Now, I said in video 10 when I started the call, the third thing we're going to be talking about is what is market execution. So market execution means I am buying or selling at the current market price. So let's come again. Let's go to Euro USD, for example. I'm going to click on Euro USD now, click on chart. Okay, this is Euro USD now. I'm going to the 5 minutes time frame. Now, let's say I've done my analysis on TradingView and I believe that EU will sell down from here. EU will sell down. I can just click on come to trade, click on this plus sign here, and it is already a market execution. But don't forget, up here is still showing AUD USD. So make sure you are very conscious of that. So I'm going to change this now to Euro USD and market execution. Now, lot size, remember the video of lot size, right? This 0.01 you're seeing here, this is the lot size I'm using to, I want to buy. So I want to buy or sell with a lot size of 0.01, right? And I think the lowest lot size is 0.01. The highest lot size should be, I think, 100.0. Oh, I can buy with 1,000. Cool, then. So I think the highest lot size is 1,000, exactly. So 1,000.0, I can buy with 1,000.0 or sell with 1,000.0. So, but for the purpose of this call, I'm just going to use 0.01. That's the lowest. So market execution means I am buying or selling at the market price. So what is the current price for Euro USD now? As you can see here, it is 0.1.08580. I can just come to this plus, click sell because I believe it's going to sell. I can just enter now. I've sold already. And you see what happened? I've entered already Euro USD sell 0.01. That's a lot size. And this is the amount that is reading now. So negative, once you see red, it means you are in a loss. Once you see blue, it means you are in profit. So the trade is going to be showing you your profit and loss. What can you see up here also? The balance is still 1,000. So my balance will remain the same until I have closed this trade. But equity is reducing already. As you can see, the equity is reducing already, right? As you can see, this is 999.90. Now I'm buying with I'm selling with 0.01, and I'm in a negative of minus 0.05. As you can see, why are the numbers not the same? This is writing 0 minus 0.12. That's probably, it's going to be due to commission or charges. Some brokers do charge you per trade. Some brokers take commissions per trade, while some brokers do not. Okay, Pepperstone, you have the opportunity to open a standard account or a Razor account. If you open a Razor account, that means you're going to be charged commissions per trade. Okay, that means the broker is going to be charging you a certain amount of money for placing that trade for you, right? So this one, they charge me minus 0. They are charging me 0.07. So that is why if this trade is in minus 0, is in 0.00, it's going to be minus 0.07. So there's already a fee of minus of 0.07, irrespective of whether the trade is going to be a win or a loss. All right, so if you come back to chart, you can see my entry here. It says 0 sell 0.01. Price is below my entry point now. I should be in profit. You can see it has changed to blue. I'm in profit now. Now, if price go above this line, I'm going to be in a loss. If I'm selling, I'm believing that price is going to come down. If I'm buying, I'm believing that price is going to go up. So market execution means buying immediately at the market price. Are you with me? All right. So if this continue to go down, my profit is going to be increasing, as you can see here, right? Now, what happened to my equity? My equity has increased by 0.0 cents. So I'm making profit on this trade now. Can you see it's increasing? So the equity is going to increase and decrease depending on price movement. If price is going in your way, you're going to be increasing in profit. If price is not going your way, you're going to be reducing in your equity is going to be reducing. But now none of this will affect your balance until you have closed the trade. Now, how do I close this trade now? I can decide to click on it. If I click on it for long, like hold it, it's going to bring out this option, close, modify, trade, and chart. So if I click on the chart, it's going to take me to the chart. If I come again, double like long press it and click on trade, that means I want to get in again. It's going to bring me here. If I double like long click on it and come to modify, I can modify this trade by placing my stop loss and take profit. Okay, setting your stop loss and take profit is very important as a trader. So now stop loss means since I'm selling this trade now, and what if price does not go my way? What do I do? I can decide to say, okay, if price come to this high, yeah, this high here at what's the price number here? At 1.08529. The broker should stop me out. So I can come here and say long press it, modify, stop at 1.08529. I can click modify. So once I modify it now, I already have a stop loss on this trade. You can see what that means is if this trade continue to go against me, the broker should close me at this area here. All right, the broker should close me there at an agreed loss. But now I do not know what the loss is going to be here because I just entered without doing my calculation. So I don't know what the loss is going to be, but I'm sure it's going to be a loss if you hit the stop loss. So now this stop loss here means this is where I want the broker to take me out. Now, where do you think, after doing your analysis, after setting the stop loss, you should also look for a place to take your profit. So I can say, okay, if price keep dropping, if price can come all the way down to 1.08426, the broker should close me there. I can come here again now, modify, take profit, 1.08426, and I click on modify. When I come to the chart now, you can see, what do I have? I have a sell entry, I have a stop loss, and I have what? A take profit area. So if this continue to sell down now to this line here, I'm going to make profit and the broker will close me and I have made some money out of the market. What would happen to my equity? My equity is going to increase. Okay, definitely. So now if I want to close this trade, I can just decide to swipe to the left, okay, or I can just long press it and click on close. When I click on close, it's going to bring me here and it's going to say close with profit of 0.03 cents. And when I close that, can you see I've closed it now? What happened to my balance? My balance is now at 999.96. Why? This trade was actually a profit, but because of the charges the broker charged me per trade is 0.07 charge. So the only time I can make profit on this trade is if my profit is running above 0.07. But I closed this trade at 0.03, was in profit, but it did not cover for the charges. That is why it is at 999.96. That is an example for a sell. Let's say I just want to get in again now. I come to trade and click on Euro USD and I just click buy. Again, the broker is going to charge me the same thing, 0.07 charges. As you can see here, you can see down here on the charges, 0.07. Brokers charge me again. So now this trade, again, is in loss. I need price to buy up now, just like our price is buying. You can see I need price to buy up, way up, before I can be in profit. And I can set my stop loss and TP for this trade again. You can see it's going up. You can see I'm in profit. Let's say I'm in profit now, and I decide to close this trade now. I click close. I have closed with what now? A profit of 10 cents. Now, the original profits the broker is going to give me now is going to be what? 3 cents, because 0.03, because the charges is what? 0.07. So I only made about 0.03. So you can see this is how you buy and sell. Market execution. You're buying immediately, you're selling immediately. So that is what market execution is. Now, the next thing is, what is a buy limit and what is a sell limit? Now, let's go to, let's say, the 1 hour chart now. Okay, I'm going to use a buy limit, for example. Oh no, let's be fast so I will not waste time. This is the 1 minute chart. I can use a sell limit now and say, okay, if since I'm looking at maybe price can come all the way up here, you can see as price is buying up, I can say if price come to 1.08550, the broker should fill me in. Now, I might not be on the screen when this is happening. I can come to trade. Remember, 08550. I can come to the screen now. I can come to trade rather, click on this plus, and instead of market execution, I would tap on it. There are options. We have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Since I want to sell, but price is not there yet, I can go in with the sell limit. And then what price do you want to have your sell limits? Remember, 0855, I think it's 08550. Now, this is not possible again because I believe price has passed there already. So you can see price has passed there. Let's quickly have maybe a number higher than that. Let's say 559. Let's have 559 quickly. Sell limit 08559. I can click, I can click on place. So this is a sell limit. You see price, price is there already. Price is really going up. So this is a sell limit. You can see it was sell limit and then price has activated me already. So let's say maybe I want to have another sell limit way. Oh, this is way bullish. All right, let me just close this. All right, so I'm closing this trade at a loss now. Can you see what is happening to my balance? My balance is reducing. All right, let's change. Let's say I go to GBP USD, for example. Okay, let's see what are GBP USD. Okay, so let's say GBP USD, I believe price is at this area down here now. And I believe that maybe price is going to go up. So I'm going to be waiting for price at 1.26980. Okay, 26980. So we come to plus, look at GBP USD, sell limits, and then 1.26980. I can click place. So if I click the place, you can see now this is the sell limit here. Price has not gotten there yet, but I have already placed the limit. So I can assume also that, okay, maybe this high up here, price might not come there. You see this high? This high up here, this one here. I can decide that my stop loss can be there. Okay, so the stop loss is going to be at 1.26987. So I can just long press this, modify, so I can have my stop loss 26987. I can click modify. So I have a stop loss now on this trade. And my TP, I can say, okay, price will sell down all the way to this low here. The low here is 1.26870. Click on this, modify, take profit 26870, and I click modify. What can you see now on the chart? I have what now? My sell limits, my stop loss, and my TP. What I have done is that I have already, since price has not gotten there, and let's say I want to go and do something else, I can just set this, leave my phone, and anytime price get up here to this area here, the broker will activate me automatically. That is what's going to happen. They will activate me automatically. Now, if they activate me and continue to go up, it will activate me and hit my stop loss. And I can come back and just see that my account has reduced again. That's a loss for me. Okay. That's a loss for me. And then if it activates and start to drop, I'm going to be reading in profit. And then if you come to trade, you can see here, GBP USD, what kind of order is it? This is a sell limit. All right, so this is how to place sell limits. You are believing that since price has not gotten there, price is going to continue to buy up. So you are waiting for price at this high up here. And if price come there, it's going to activate you and hopefully it's going to drop. Just like what is happening now. You can see price is struggling to go up. So this is an example of a sell limit. Okay, so since price is not there yet, for the purpose of time, I'm just going to delete it. So if you want to delete it, maybe you're not sure price is going to come there or you're not sure of the trade, just long press it, click on delete, and you can just delete it. It's not there anymore. As you can see, I don't have it anymore. So now for a buy stop, a buy limit is just going to be the opposite of the sell limit. A buy limit, you're believing that price is going to come down, let's say all the way up to this area down here at 1.26916. 26916. So I can click on this trade and come to plus. Instead of market execution, I change it to buy limit. And at where? 26916. And I can click on modify. Can you see it's down here? And let's say my stop loss, I can say, okay, price stop loss can be maybe down here at 26901. I just click on this, long press it, modify, come here and put 26901 and click modify. But you see stop losses there, and I can say, okay, price should buy all the way to this high at 26973. I can just come again here, modify 26973 and click on modify, and I have it here already. Okay, but now it is even easy for you to do this if you are setting the limits from trading view. So you just look at your trading view, you have your entry, the stop loss and TP, just come here, click on trade plus, and you can just fill in everything once before clicking place. All right, you can also do that. So this is a buy limit. I'm believing that price is going to sell down. And when it sell down to this area, it should activate me. And then I want it to reject from there. So I have set this limit already. Even though I am not on my phone, this will continue to be there. And anytime price touches this area here, my trade is going to be activated. Anytime price touches this buy limit here, my trade will be activated. And if it hits this, if it sells down more, it's going to take me out at an agreed stop loss. If it activates me and rejects, I'm going to be in profit. And if it hits TP, I have made some money. You see it now? So I'm going to delete this now. This is for a buy limit. So I'm going to click delete. So now, what is a buy stop and what is a sell stop? So what is a buy stop and what is a sell stop now? So a buy stop, remember a buy limit, price is above your entry and you're believing that price is going to come down to pick you. That's a buy limit. Now a buy stop is just going to be the opposite. Instead of price being below your entry, I'm sorry, instead of price being above your entry, price is going to be below your entry. But you're believing that it's going to still buy. So therefore, you're waiting for it above. Like in this case now, you can see the price of this GBP USD is selling. And I can, after doing my analysis, believe that price is still going to buy. So I can wait for the buy limit up here at 1.26954. Now, if I want to place a limit, this will not work unless it's a buy stop. It has to be a buy stop because buy limit says that the entry should be above your entry. The market price should be above your entry. But for a buy stop, the market price should be below your entry. You can see I want to buy at 1.26954. Let's try and see if a buy limit will work. Buy limit at 26954. And you see, I'm not able to place it. I'm clicking on it now. I cannot place it because it is below that already. But instead, I can click a buy stop and still put 26954 and place. This is going to work. So if you come to the chart, oh, I've been activated already. That's probably due to spread. So the spread has activated me already. But let me just delete it quickly. I want something that is far up above. So let's say I'm believing that at this high up here now, I believe that price will continue to buy from this area. So therefore, I can decide to set a buy stop at 26973. So click on the plus, buy stop, 26973, and I can click on place. Can you see GBP USD buy stop? Can you see now my buy stop is up above? What this means is that I am believing that price is going to come to that area and continue to go up. That's a buy stop. Now I can also have a stop loss and take profit for it. So the stop loss, I can say, okay, if price continue to buy up and activate me, it shouldn't come down again to, let's say, this area. So I can have my stop loss at 26942. Long press it, modify, 26942. And I can click on modify. Can you see? This is a buy stop. So this order will not be activated until price has bought all the way up to this area. So when price buy all the way up to this area, that is when this trade is going to be activated. So the stop loss here now is still ineffective until price has touched this buy stop. And then if it comes back down again, that is when I'm going to take a loss on this trade. So if this is my stop loss, the TP has to be above, up, where you might not be able to see on my screen. So this is an example of a buy stop. I'm going to delete it now. And then the last one is a sell stop. What is a sell stop? Just like how a sell limit price, market price is below your entry for a sell limit, a sell stop market price has to be above your entry. So let's come back to the quote. And this is the low here. I can assume that if price come to this area now, it might continue to sell. I can decide to get in now with a sell stop at 1.26922. So I'm just going to come here, click on sell stop, price 26922, and I click on modify. So if I come here, you can see the sell stop is there already. It's a sell stop. Now I want to have a stop loss also. I can decide to put my stop loss, let's say at this high up here, at this high at 26953. So you can come there now and say 26953 and click on modify. So can you see this is a sell stop order? So if price should sell down continuously to where my limit is, I will get activated and then the stop loss will be effective. So this is a sell stop. The market price is above your entry. For a buy stop, the market price is below your entry. Right. And then I can decide to set my TP, let's say down here at 26865. 26865. 26865. Modify and come here. So you can see I have my trade already. Sell stop and this and this. So let's see if this will activate. And okay, it's so close now. It's so close. It's so close. If you want to check for the spread, you can just come to settings and click on this chart and click on ask price line. Once you click on that, you should be able to see the spread. So the red line is where I'm going to get activated. That's it because of the spread on this. Oh, I'm activated already. Can you see we are activated already? And now the trade, this is a sell stop. Can you see how I got in? So I'm believing now that this should continue to sell down. If it continues to sell down, good for me. I'm going to be a profit. But if you reject back up now, the stop loss is already effective on this trade, and I might take a loss on this. See it now? So this is a sell stop and it's activated already. All right, let's see how it goes. So price is below the entry already. But then I need the red line, which is the red line is the spread. So the spread needs to also come below the entry because there's a 1 pip, I think so, about 1 pip spread. Yeah, 1 pip spread. If this red line should touch this sell limit up here, the broker will close me out at a loss. So you can decide to go for a zero spread account or you go for an account with 1 pip spread. Some brokers have 2 pip spread also, so it depends. Okay. So the trade is active and trading is patience. Okay. It will not just run straight down to my profit level. You can see it's going to be going up and down, and all of that. Okay. Except there are some major news coming out and price just go in one direction very fast. All right. So this is GBP USD and I'm explaining this already. Okay. So yes, so I've been able to explain to you what market execution is, what is a buy limit, sell limit, what is a buy stop, and what is a sell stop. All right, exactly. So I don't want to waste too much time on this. So you just now you have the idea of what they are. You can use them while trading. I usually make use of them also while trading. I make use of the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. The only one I always find it hard to use and I don't use often, like I might not even use it in 6 months, is market execution. I do not market execute. I like to make sure I'm getting in, calculated risk and all of that. Exactly. So yeah, this is it. If you have any question as regards this, feel free to reach out to me. All right. So that is it. So now let's come back to the TradingView website where we can talk about the last thing, which is how to read and understand a buy and sell position too. How do you read and understand a buy and sell position too? So remember, among our favorites, we have this tool, which is a long position, and we have this tool, which is the sell position, right? So this is long position. This is sell position. So a long position is a buy tool, and a sell position is a sell tool. All right. So I'm just going to do this for the purpose of this call. I'm just going to take this away and do something like this. So we can have this one above up here, and we can have this one down here. So I can decide that maybe Euro USD now, I want to buy Euro USD. This black line here is represents the entry. And if you look to the right, if you look to the right here now, we have what my entry is at what 0.84552. That's my entry. And my stop loss per trade, like I said, let's say I want to risk about 50 pips. Now, okay, let me scale down to a much more lower time frame because the stop loss is looking very big here. So let's go to like the 5 minutes now. Okay, let's go. This is the 5 minutes chart on Euro USD. All right, so this is the 5 minutes chart. And I can bring this now again and say I'm buying at, let's say I'm buying at, yeah, so my entry price is 1.07450. That's what I'm buying, as you can see here. Now I can say I want to go in with a 30 pip stop loss. Okay, 30 pip stop loss. Let me confirm if this is 30 pips. Exactly, no, 30 pips is too much. Let me reduce it from 30 to like, let's say 10. So I'm risking 10 pip on this trade now, and I want to make 30 pips. Okay, so I'm risking 10 to make 30. Now, this long position to remember, how do you set this now? This is your buy limit. So if price is still above, price is still, going all of this above, this is my buy limit. I'm waiting for price down here now. So these three numbers is what I need. The entry, the stop loss, and the TP. And these are the three things I'm going to impute on my MetaTrader 4. Remember, on MetaTrader 4, you're going to impute these things. Okay, you impute the entry, you impute the stop loss, and you impute the TP, and then your lot size. Remember, I told you how to calculate lot size. Just a quick recap of that. This is a 10 pip stop loss. If you are risking maybe $50, you want to risk $50 on a trade. So you are risking $50 divided by the value per pip for Euro USD is 10, multiplied by the amount in stop loss. What is the stop loss in pip rather? 10. So it's going to be 50 divided by 100. So what is going to be the lot size for you now? Come to the calculator, and we're going to do 50 divided by 100. So the lot size you're going to use on that trade is 0.5. So your lot size is going to be 0.5, and then you impute this buy area entry, the stop loss, and the TP. That is your buy limit. So this is how to take, this is what a buy signal looks like. Okay, and then the opposite is for the sell, which is going to be like this. Okay, the sell, the entry, this is the entry, the stop loss is going to be up, and your take profit is going to be down. So this is for a sell limit. So this is a sell, and this is a buy limit. Buy limit, you are believing that price will come down, pick you, and continue to go in your way until you hit your TP. Yeah. Sell limits, you are believing the price is below your entry price, and price is below your entry price, yes, and then price comes up, activates you, and you want price to drop and hit your target. So that is for a sell limit. Exactly. So this is how to read and understand the buy limit tool on TradingView, and that is how to understand a sell limit tool on TradingView. All right. So if you have any question at all, please feel free to reach out to me. Send a message in the question group, and when I see it, I will attend to you. All right. So thank you so much. Do have a great day. Bye-bye.